Hi guys, today's recipe is very interesting. I've discovered that not long ago and I think it's brilliant. It's chicken freekeh. So freekeh is green wheat and it contains a lot of fiber, a lot of protein. I'm gonna start with the chicken right now that I'm gonna brine, then roast. So I've been brining this chicken in 3 liters of water and 6 tablespoons of salt with 1 teaspoon of dried coriander seeds and some bay leaves. I'm gonna remove the water, dry the chicken and roast it. So there goes my chicken. Add to it some Zaatar mix. To that I'm gonna add some sweet pepper that we call here Lebanese pepper. And that is ready to go in the oven. But first, I'm gonna use an oven bag that will keep the moisture in the bag while roasting it because I don't wanna lose all the nice juices. I'm gonna make holes in the bag to let some of the steam go out and leave the moisture in the bag so I can use it in my sauce later on. So I'm gonna roast it at 180 for 55 minutes in a convection oven. In a medium to large pot, I'm gonna be preparing the freekeh, which starts with about 50 milliliters of extra virgin Lebanese olive oil, to which I'm gonna add 150 grams of finely chopped red onions, my favorites. You can use white onions, which is a typical recipe, but I like the red ones. They're more potent. I'm gonna add 1 large clove of garlic. So when the onions are translucent, I'm gonna add 500 grams of freekeh that I rinsed 3 times at least with a lot of water to remove all the dirt that's on it. So to that I'm gonna add 200 milliliters of Lebanese red ale beer, and 700 milliliters of chicken stock that I had prepared before. So it's a total of 900 milliliters of liquid to cook the freekeh. So we gotta reduce the heat and let it simmer till it's perfectly cooked. So 20 minutes later, you should be getting something like that. Moisture is almost gone, absorbed by the freekeh, and this is where you can put enough salt to your taste and black pepper. Turn off the heat, mix well. Now this at the bottom is your sauce. So I'm gonna take out the chicken from its roasting pan, put it next to the freekeh so I can prepare my sauce. To prepare the sauce, on high heat, put the frying pan and the remaining 120-30 milliliters of beer, the red ale. We let the alcohol evaporate, and to that we're gonna add the beautiful, this is where all the flavor is. I'm gonna add to that a little bit of sweet pepper and some cinnamon. Turn off the heat. And we're ready. And now the final step is to add some roasted almonds on top of the freekeh to make it, give it some more crunchiness, and the sauce all over. Wow, that looks great. Now that's roasted chicken. Awesome. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, add your comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for many more to come. Cheers.